Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Dell new Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus laptop, Inspiron 14 5541 and Latitude 5455. So friend, Dell has unveiled two new laptop models based on Qualcomm newly released Snapdragon X Plus SoC and the Inspiron 14 5541 and Latitude 5455. Both laptop is equipped with okay. SAM certification. This particular chip offers 45 AI TOPS, which is industry benchmark, and comes with 16 GB LPDDR5x-8448 memory and offers storage up to 1 TB. And this is probably the baseline specification in all Qualcomm laptop. In terms of display, it is 14-inch Full HD IPS display with peak brightness of 300 nits, and for port and network connectivity, the laptop comes with 2 into USB Type-C port along with the USB Generation 3.2 Generation 1 Type-A port and dedicated micro SD card reader. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.